Hello, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to track your Alibaba order. First, you need to go to your Alibaba website. After that, you need to go to your orders. After clicking on orders, you have to go here and copy the tracking order number. After copying the tracking order number, you have to come here and type Alibaba tracking. After typing that, you'll get this first website. Click on Alibaba tracking, and after that, you need to paste your Alibaba tracking number, and then you have to click on track parcels so that they will show you what and where your product is. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, then please like and share our video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.